Monmouth, cloudy 36 degrees. Akron, fog 36. New Philadelphia, fog 38. Cambridge, cloudy 37. Youngstown, partly sunny 38. Lancaster, cloudy 37. Cleveland, fog 36. Worcester, fog 36. Mansfield, fog 32. Skies. Now here is the synopsis. Following a few lingering rain or snow showers in the higher elevations, high pressure will build in from the west, providing a dry rest of the day. Near to above average temperatures and mainly dry weather will prevail into the weekend. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXJ47 in High Hill, Ohio, operating on 162.475 MHz, with a power output of 1,000 watts, originating from the National Weather Service in New Township, Pennsylvania. The current time is 10:58 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. For East Central and Southeast Ohio and Northern West Virginia, including Zanesville, Cambridge, Coshocton, New Philadelphia, Marietta, Parkersburg, and surrounding areas. For rest of today, considerable cloudiness. Highs in the lower 40s. West winds around 5 miles an hour. For tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. For Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour, becoming northwest after midnight. For Friday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And for Friday night, mainly clear. Low. Taking a look at the extended forecast. Highs around 50. For Saturday night, clear. Lows around 30. For Sunday, mostly sunny. Mild. Highs in the lower 50s. For Sunday night, mainly clear. Lows in the lower 30s. For Monday, mostly sunny. Mild. Highs around 50. For Monday night, mainly clear. Lows in the upper 20s. And for Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. The Zanesville, Ohio climate summary for yesterday, January 30th, 2024. Listening to NOAA Weather Radio in High Hill, Ohio on a frequency of 162.475 MHz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WXJ47, serves the following counties in East Central Ohio: Athens, Belmont, Carroll, Coshocton, Gallia, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Licking, Meigs, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Perry, Tuscarawas, and Washington. And finally, for these counties in northern West Virginia, Pleasants, Ritchie, Tyler, Word, and Wood. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. Southeast Ohio and northern West Virginia, including Zanesville.